Good morning, everyone. So, today in our library, we are going to do some amazing talk about amazing animals. Yes, Tutu, are you ready to move to forest to meet lions and big cats? And are you ready to move with me to see different birds? And then we will take a dive in the coral reef. And then finally, I'll make you meet my favorite animal, porcupine. Yes, Tutu, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on to first. Where do you want to go? Ocean?
No.
Sky?
Let's go to the life in a pride.
Okay, life in a pride. Let's all
Life
go to
in a
life
Pride.
in a pride. These lions live in a group, and the group of lion is called.
Pride.
Very good. Your GK is very nice. See how this pride lives. You can see how beautifully they all are together. Param, Tutu, can you read this?
This is a male lion. He protects the pride. He roars to keep other lions away.
You know how to roar? Wow, that's nice. These female lions are hunters. They take care of the cubs too. Cubs are young lions. Baby lion is called?
Cub.
Very nice.
Cubs grow and learn. They play and run. Will hunt when they grow up.
They will hunt when they grow up, and when they run and they play and they grow and they learn. This is part of all their growth. Lions hunt in a group. They work as a team. You can see right now that 4 lions are looking forward to attack buffaloes. They hunt other animals for food. Tutu, your turn.
Lions rest after they hunt. They sleep most of the day.
They sleep most of the day. They hunt and they rest and they sleep most of the day. Living in a pride is good for lions. It keeps them safe and strong. Now there are some more big cats. They are lion, tiger, snow leopard, cheetah. They are all different big cats we have. They are large, they are powerful, they are big cats, and they are part of big cat family. Cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest mammal on land. सबसे ज़्यादा तेज भागता है cheetah. Snow leopard. The snow leopard has super strong legs that help it leap. Then we have lion. A male lion has a mane. Mane is hair that grow around his neck. तो उसकी नेक के पास जो बाल हैं उसको हम लोग मेन कहते हैं. Tiger is the largest wild cat in the world. They are the largest wild cat. So this was about life in pride. From here we go down deep underwater
Life in a coral reef.
for coral reef. Coral reef are among the world's most colorful biomes. Many beautiful plants and animals live there. What do you know about coral reef, Tutu?
Coral reefs are in oceans and they look very beautiful, as you can see.
Tube-shaped animals called coral polypus build up reefs over time. They grow hard skeletons and attach to those of dead corals. So these are coral reefs. Most coral reef lie in warm tropics. There are three main type of tropical reefs. So you can see on the map, बच्चास जितने भी ग्रीन ग्रीन एरियाज दिख रहे हैं वहाँ पे आपको कोरल रीफ मिलेगा. Fringing reefs stretch long shores. Barrier reefs are farther out. Ring-shaped atolls rise from sunken islands. So you have barrier reefs, you have fringing reefs, and you have atolls. Tropical coral reefs have a warm climate. The sun shines through the clear, shallow salt water. तो जो ट्रॉपिकल रीफ है, रेड सी कोरल रीफ, वहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि ऊपर सन शाइन करता है. वाटर टेम्परेचर्स यूजुअली स्टे बिटवीन 65 and 85 degree Fahrenheit. Can you see how beautiful it is?
Yes.
This left side is red coral sea reef.
And the left side is Red Sea Coral Reef.
Right is Kimbe Bay coral reef.
Too much wind and rain can make rocks and mud into shallow reefs. The clear water becomes cloudy. Then less sunlight reaches reef plants. This can affect the whole coral reef food chain.
The plants. Tiny algae grow all over warm coral reefs. The algae live inside of coral platypus. The animal and algae trade gases they need to live. तो इनके ऊपर एल्गाई आ जाती है और एल्गाई और ये कोरल प्लेटिपस आपस में गैसेस एक्सचेंज करते हैं जीने के लिए. लार्ज एल्गाई कॉल सीवीड्स कलर कोरल रीफ्स. Red seaweeds grow in deeper water than green ones. Their color helps them capture more sunlight.
Meadows of seagrass often form around coral reefs. They provide animals with food, heat, and nourishes for babies.
Near some reefs, mangroves grow. These trees have special roots. They are able to separate water from salt. Animals.
Coral reefs are full of strange creatures. Colorful bodies let many blend in with the reefs. This helps them hunt or hide. Flat animals move through tight spaces, pointed ones protect.
Everyone, my name is Tutu. I am cute mouse, you can see. But you're not cute mouse. No. I am cute mouse, you ugly human. Yeah, you ugly human. Katu.
क्या करें.
कटड़ो स्कूबड़ू हाँ कैसा है बढ़िया 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 एकदम
I'm a kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm a cat. Meow. If you mess with me, you're gonna get scratched. Meow, kitty. Scratch. I'm a meow, meow, meow. I got a key. Bye. Haha, I'm going to eat a chicken for dinner. Yum. No, no, don't eat me. I am innocent. Haha, you better watch out. Nom, 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 nom. Oh no, I am dead. I am coming in your dreams for the next 25 years. And I'm going to scare you.
Today we will talk something about maths. टुट्टू तुम्हारी मैथमेटिक्स कैसी है?
बहुत अच्छी.
ओके मैं तुमको कुछ दिखाऊं?
Okay.
Okay, so I will have a counting videos today. So let's see and do the counting.
This is the number 1. I have 1 helmet.
This is
I
one
have
robot.
1 robot. And I have 1 awesome spaceship.
This is
The
spaceship.
number 1 is out of this world.
So this one has one robot and one
Numbers
spaceship.
are everywhere in our world. This is the number 1. And this is how you write the number 1.
So you write your
Here's a
number,
number
one
one.
like this.
Here's a number 1. Oh, here's a number 1. Look around to see if you can find the number 1.
So we want you to go around and pick up number 1. You can see number 1 in your mobile phone. You can see number 1 in your remote. You can see number 1 in your wall clock. So see around and find out where all you can see number 1. Tutu, this is your
Help me
number
count
2.
to 2. Let's count my hats. 1, 2.
How many
Whoa,
hats you have?
that was
have
magical. 1, 2. I have 2 hats. I'll wear this one. Abracadabra.
So he has 2 hats. He was using one hat. Abracadabra, that becomes his hat. So abracadabra, another is your hat.
Numbers are everywhere in our world. This is the number 2. And this is how you write the number 2. Here's a number 2. Here's a number 2. Here's a number 2. Look around to see if you can find the number 2.
Just go around in your house and see where you can find out number 2. We move to number 3.
Hey there! Help me count to 3. Let's count my toys. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Let's count to 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Wowee!
So there we had 3 teddy bears. Two. How many teddy bears?
3 teddy bears.
1 teddy bear, 2 teddy bear.
And 3 teddy bears.
Okay, now let's see where we have number 3 around us.
How many fish are in the tank? Let's count out loud together. The last number you say is the number of fish.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. There are 3 fish in the tank. Great counting.
And then let's find the number 3.
Numbers are everywhere in our world. This is the number 3. And this is how you write the number 3. Here's a number 3. Here's a number 3. Here's a number 3. Look around to see if you can find the number 3.
Tutu, now you have to go and find out number 3.
I can see 3 wings on the fan.
Oh wow, that's amazing. You can see, all of you look up. You have 3 wings on your fan. Where else you can find out 3 number?
In this video.
In this video we saw number 3. We will do till number 5 today.
Hi! Help me count to 4. Let's count my socks.
So we have
1,
1 sock.
2, 3, 4. That's
You
4
want to wear
socks.
socks?
Let's count to 4 again.
Very
1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! I have 4 socks. I love socks. Bye!
Okay, now we will see number 5.
Count with me to the number 5. Let's count my race cars. 1, 2, 3,
What's your
4,
favorite car, Tutu?
5. Let's count them again. 1,
The purple one.
2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 race cars. Wow!
They all look like
Look
a
at them
vintage
go!
Hot Wheels? Okay. Thank you all. It was nice telling you number 5. Hello everyone. So we are going to see a pattern video today. That video will tell us कि हम लाइफ में अलग-अलग पैटर्न कैसे बना सकते हैं. So let's go and see this pattern video.
Check it out, Moby. I made a pattern. Let's see. What fruit comes next? What is a pattern? A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. You can find patterns that use colors, shapes, sizes, and even movements. You can also find
So Tutu, are you there with me?
Yes.
So you know she is talking about pattern. So life में आपने कहाँ पैटर्न देखा है?
मैंने पैटर्न मैथ क्लास में देखा है.
मैथ्स क्लास में पैटर्न देखा है. और अभी मॉबी जो एक्सरसाइज कर रहा था वो भी एक पैटर्न था, राइट? और हमारी घर में जो हम लोग बेडशीट लगाते हैं उसमें भी पैटर्न होता है. येस और नो?
यस.
अलग अलग पैटर्न होता है ना, अलग अलग जगह पे.
उसमें डिजाइन होती है अलग अलग.
हाँ, सो लेट अस सी. यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड पैटर्न दैट यूज साउंड्स. साउंड में भी पैटर्न होता है. टुंग 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 टुंग. So this is again a pattern. Let's see what she has to say.
patterns that use sounds.
Now we are having a sound pattern.
Something is not a pattern if it does not repeat. There's no section that repeats over and over again. How can you make a pattern? I'll start with one blue car and
एक
one
blue
red
car,
car.
एक red car. एक blue car,
That's
एक
one
red car.
section
This is
or
one
unit. Repeat the unit over and
you can
over
repeat
to make
the
the
unit.
pattern. So I'll line up another unit.
सो टुट्टू, आप अपनी किचन में से 4 खीरे और 2 टमाटर निकाल के पैटर्न बना सकते हो.
हाँ.
कैसे बनाओगे?
एक टमाटर, फिर खीरा, फिर नहीं सॉरी 2 टमाटर, एक खीरा, 2 टमाटर, एक खीरा.
ओके, ये आपका पैटर्न है. अब मैं बनाऊंगी 1 टमाटर, 1 खीरा, 1 टमाटर, 1 खीरा, 1 टमाटर, 1 खीरा. ये मेरा पैटर्न है.
बट आपने बोला था 2 खीरे और 4 टमाटर.
ओके, तो आपका पैटर्न काम कर गया. मेरे लिए तो 4 खीरे और 4 टमाटर चाहिए होगा. ठीक है.
And keep going to make a longer pattern. You started with one big marble, then you added another
ओके,
big
तो देखो
marble,
हम लोग आपने मार्बल से पैटर्न
and then
बनाया.
you tacked on a small marble. Repeat the unit to make a pattern.
So if you want to make a pattern, you can repeat it again. Too big, one small.
How can you figure out patterns? When you look for a pattern, look for the unit that repeats over and over again. Which unit repeats in this pattern? The rhombus, triangle, and square always repeat in that order. What comes after the triangle? Right, a square. You have a pattern to show me? It's helpful to write down or draw pictures to help you figure out a pattern. Spin, hop, hop, point. Spin, hop, hop, point.
Okay, all of you
Spin.
can do that. You can do spin, hop, hop, point. जैसे मॉबी कर रहा है ना टुट्टू, कैन यू डू दैट?
Yes.
एक बार गोल घूमो, फिर 2 बार जंप करो और फिर ऊपर पॉइंट आउट करो. सो दिस इज आवर पैटर्न. स्पिन, हॉप, हॉप, पॉइंट. स्पिन, हॉप, हॉप, पॉइंट. स्पिन.
Hop, hop, point. Cool. I see the pattern. What happens right after you spin? You hop twice, then point. I have another pattern. Listen carefully. Try writing or using colors to help you figure out the pattern.
So this
What?
tutu is another pattern. To clap and to stomp. To clap and to stomp. आपको डांस करना हो तो कैसे करोगे टुट्टू?
नहीं पता, मेरे को डांस नहीं आता.
Okay, but you can clap and stomp. It looks very cool when you clap and you stomp. Okay, तो सब बच्चे लोग 2 clapping, 2 stomping, 2 clapping, 2 stomping. Stomping क्या होता है टुट्टू?
जब हम अपने पैर से बहुत जोर से ग्राउंड पे मारते हैं.
Yes, you know that.
Comes next. Use the colored letters to help you. Right, a clap. Here's another pattern.
Okay,
What's
Tutu,
the
can you tell
missing
me what is
shape?
missing here?
Look for the unit that repeats.
no.
What comes right after the square?
The triangle.
Yes, very good. Triangle is missing.
Right,
It
a
completes the
triangle.
pattern.
Patterns can help you make predictions about what might happen in the future. Our seasons always follow the same pattern.
Season same pattern के होते
Winter,
हैं.
spring,
Winter,
summer,
spring,
and
summer,
fall.
and
Then
fall.
it repeats all over again.
And then it
We can
repeats
predict
again.
that near the end of winter, the weather will start to get warmer because spring always follows winter. Anyway, Moby, what comes next in this pattern?
What comes next in this pattern? Tutu?
Lunch comes next. Moby, you ate my pattern.
Not food.
Okay, so let's have a easy quiz. Are you ready for it?
Okay.
Which shape comes first next in the pattern?
The diamond shaped one.
Correct. This was easy. How can you regard this pattern in words?
Smooth, smooth, bumpy, smooth. Yeah, smooth, smooth, bumpy, smooth, smooth, bumpy.
Good. Which shows a pattern?
Dusty one.
Okay. You are quite smart, Tutu.
What is the one unit in the patterns? A, B, B, A. A, B, B. So
It's A, B,
dirty
B.
one.
The D one. Okay, so let me give you some other question. Hard quiz. What is the next 2 items that come in the pattern?
A.
Sure.
Yeah.
What is the missing marble?
The blue marble, the big blue marble.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so you are able to do the big questions. Let's belly up. Cool scarf, Joey. Thanks, I'm making it for Snail. Let's see how it fits him. I think you repeated the pattern one too many times. See, scarf बड़ा हो गया. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new class of Masti Ki Pathshala. So here you see we have a lot of people in our class today. So we have Tutu all the way from Australia. We have Minnie Mouse Akshara from Rajapak.
Hello.
Hi, and then we have Shweta ma'am from high school. How are
Hello.
you, ma'am?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
So I'm good. आज आज चूहों का दिन है शायद, तो बहुत सारे चूहे दिख रहे हैं मस्ती की पाठशाला में, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी
Yay!
अपने आप को चूहे की तरह डिस्गाइज कर लूं, तो मेरा एक छोटा सा चूहा वाला रूप आपको दिख रहा है। तो श्वेता मैम, आपको कैसी लगती है हमारी मस्ती की पाठशाला?
बहुत मैम, मैं इसको बहुत एंजॉय करती हूँ। छोटी छोटी सी स्टोरीज हमारी लाइफ में इतना वैल्यू करती हैं, जो आप हमको मस्ती की पाठशाला में दिखाती हैं। दैट इज रियली वेरी हेल्पफुल। आपका जो काइंडनेस वाला मैम वीडियो था ना मस्ती की पाठशाला का, वो मैं बार बार जाके यूट्यूब पर देखती हूँ। इट वॉज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी एज वेल माई इन लॉज, एज वेल माई हस्बैंड, एज वेल एज माई किड्स। इतना छोटा सा 10 मिनट्स का वीडियो हमारी लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है मैम। और देखते हैं मैम
ओके।
आज क्या अपन नया मस्ती की पाठशाला में आप क्या लेकर आए हैं, इसके लिए मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ जानने के लिए।
ओके, तो आज आपका एक्साइटमेंट रहेगा हमारे साथ। और आज जैसे आप देख रहे हो, पिछले एक हफ्ते से हम लोग खूब सारे एनिमल्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। अलग अलग जू में हमने एनिमल्स देखे, एक्वेरियम में जाके एनिमल देखे। तो आज हम आपको एनिमल से आगे लेके चलते हैं और एनिमल्स की भाषा को सुन समझते हैं। तो जैसे हमारे पास एक बोलता हुआ टुट्टू है। टुट्टू, आपको पता है डिफरेंट
ओके
एनिमल
मैम।
कैसे आवाज निकालते हैं?
Yes.
ओ वाओ।
तो टुट्टू, आपकी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है।
मेरी आवाज, मैं तो इंग्लिश ही बोलता हूँ और हिंदी।
Oh, cute.
ओके टुट्टू, तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो मैं आपको एक ओल्ड मैकडोनल्ड्स के जू में लेके चलती हूँ, जिसके जू में डिफरेंट एनिमल्स हैं और वो एनिमल्स कैसी आवाज निकालते हैं हम वो देखते हैं। सो रेडी टू गो?
उस मैकडॉनल्ड्स में
यस मैम, वी आर रेडी।
Excited.
ओके, यस टुट्टू, आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
वो जो मैकडॉनल्ड्स का जू है, उधर फ्रेंच फ्राइज होते हैं क्या?
फ्रेंच फ्राइज खाना है टुट्टू को? अभी टुट्टू लॉकडाउन है। सो ये मैकडोनल्ड्स वो नहीं है जो आप सोच रहे हो, ये ओल्ड मैकडोनल्ड्स है जिसके पास एक जू है। सो आई वुड लाइक ऑल माय पेरेंट्स टू शो दिस वीडियो टू किड्स, एंड एक बार देखने के बाद इसकी ट्यून में बच्चों को ये गाना गाना सिखाइएगा। और टुट्टू, आप भी अब सीखिएगा हमसे गाना गाना और गाइएगा लास्ट में, ठीक है टुट्टू?
ओके।
Okay, so teachers, I request you also to participate and sing, and उसके बाद श्वेता मैम का एक वीडियो है जो वो हमको दिखाना चाहती है, तो हम दोनों वीडियो आज कवर करेंगे इस वीडियो पे। ओके, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। सो आपकी स्क्रीन में एक फोटो है जिसमें एक पांडा है। सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग टू सिंग दैट। मेरी आवाज बहुत अच्छी नहीं, बट मैं कोशिश करूंगी। Old MacDonald's had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O, and
Old
in that
McDonald's had a zoo.
zoo, E-I-E-I-O, and in this zoo he had a panda, E-I-E-I-O. So ये हमारी ट्यून है, हम फिर से गाएंगे और एक चीज को 2 बार गाएंगे। So all of you also can sing with me. एंड मैं आपको एक बार राइट हैंड साइड वाला भी ट्यून बता देती हूँ, सो आपको आइडिया लगेगा कैसे होता है। With a bark here and a bark there, here bark, there bark, everywhere bark. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. So this is a complete rhythm of Old MacDonald's. So Akshara,
Okay.
done. So ऐसे
Yes.
हमारे पास 4 पेजेस हैं। So this is the first. ये ब्लू वाले हमारे ओल्ड मैकडोनल्ड्स अंकल हैं और ये हमारा पांडा है। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। Let's start. Old MacDonald's had a E-I-E-I-O. Old
Old
MacDonald
McDonald's
had a
had
zoo,
a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O. And
And in
in
that zoo, we had a
the
panda.
zoo, we had the panda.
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a bug here and a bug there.
Bug, bug there, here bug, there bug, everywhere bug, bug, bug. Old
Old
MacDonald had a zoo.
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old
Old
MacDonald had a
MacDonald had
zoo.
a zoo. E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
And in this zoo, he
In
had
the
some
zoo, he
hyenas.
had some hyena.
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo, he had some hyena. E-I-E-I-O.
ओके सो अब ये वाला पेज श्वेता मैम गाते हैं विद अ ही हियर एंड अ
With the
ही देयर
he, there, here, he, here, there, he, everywhere, he. Old MacDonald had a zoo.
zoo
E-I-E-I-O.
and in
And
this zoo
in
he
the
had a
zoo,
giraffe
he had giraffe. E-I-E-I-O.
with a he there he
Here
everywhere
he, there he, everywhere
had
he
a
had
zoo
a phone. E-I-E-I-O.
ओके तो अब जिराफ आने वाला है तो जिराफ को कौन गाएगा अक्षरा आप गाओगे कि टुट्टू आप गाओगे
I will sing.
ओके यस ओवर टू यू
Old MacDonald had a zoo. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a zoo. E-I-E-I-O. In his farm he has a giraffe. E-I-E-I-O. With the mew mew here, with the mew mew there, and a mew here a mew, there a mew, everywhere a mew mew. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a zoo. E-I-E-I-O.
या मैं वही सोचूं अक्षरा जू से फार्म में क्यों चले गई okay so we have tutu okay tutu is loading so old MacDonald had a zoo E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he had some penguins E-I-E-I-O. तो मैं ये सोच रही हूँ अपना ये जू है कहाँ पे इसके पास पेंगुइन भी है पांडा भी है जिराफ भी है लगता है सैन डिएगो जू पहुंच गया ये भी ओके
Yes.
यस यू कैन टेक इट with a honk honk here and a honk honk here honk there honk everywhere honk honk
Everywhere honking. Old
okay
MacDonald had a zoo. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a zoo. E-I-E-I-O.
with a honk here honk there honk here honk there honk there honk everywhere honk old MacDonald had a zoo E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
ओके फिश खिला रहे हैं ये देखो पेंगुइन्स को
Yes.
अब ये तो लायन आ गया चूहे को लायन से प्रॉब्लम है तो हमारा चूहा कुछ करेगा आज किसको याद है वो शेर और चूहे की कहानी
I remember it.
ओके तो सुनेंगे
I
आप
also.
शेर और चूहे की कहानी बहुत पुरानी हो गई है बच्चे शायद भूल गए हैं आजकल
Yes.
ओके टुटू इज देयर टुटू इज नॉट देयर ओके टुटू के साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम है टुटू शेर को देख के भाग गया लगता है okay and in this zoo we had a lion E-I-E-I-O.
With a
Okay.
roar here and a roar there. Here roar, there roar, everywhere roar. Tutu is back.
Okay. Hello, Tutu. So you can see we have a lion.
Oh no. Tutu, don't be scared.
Okay, so with a roar here and a roar there, here roar, there roar, everywhere roar.
Everywhere roar.
Old MacDonald had a zoo. E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he had a bed. E-I-E-I-O. Oh wow, he can sleep there also in the zoo. Wow.
See, the way this old MacDonald's is sleeping with his panda, giraffe, hyena, lion,
Lion.
and penguin. Similarly, Tutu also sleeps like this in my house. So I think I need to change the rhyme. Old young Tutu had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O, and he has all the animals in my house, and I think my house is also like all this zoo now. Okay, with a good night here and a good night there. Here good, there good, here good, there night, everywhere good night. Old MacDonald's had a zoo. E-I-E-I-O. ओके, तो चलिए श्वेता और अक्षरा और हमारा प्यारा टुट्टू, अब आपसे मैं कुछ सवाल पूछती हूँ। जो भी जवाब देगा उसको एक टुट्टू गिफ्ट मिलेगा। ओके।
Oh,
ओके श्वेता, कौन जवाब देता है? व्हाट एनिमल्स आर देयर इन मैकडॉगल्स जू?
panda,
ओके,
giraffe, lion,
ओके, ओके।
mouse.
अरे माउस कहाँ था? माउस तो हमारे पास है। टुट्टू तो
मैं
यहाँ
मैं माउस था ना, लायन के साथ छोटा सा माउस भी था।
ओके, ओके। तो टुट्टू, यू गिव मी आंसर। आवर ओल्ड, अच्छा हमने तो मैकडॉनल्ड्स डाल लिया, ये तो मैकडगल्स है। चलो मैकडॉनल्ड्स ही देते हैं। आर
I
ओल्ड
can't hear you.
मैकडॉनल्ड्स एनिमल्स रियल एनिमल्स और स्टफ टॉयज टुट्टू? रियल एनिमल्स
What?
है कि स्टफ टॉयज हैं? जो भी आपने अभी एनिमल्स देखे, कौन करेगा गैस? अक्षरा आप बताओ।
I cannot
Ma'am, I
hear you.
think they were stuffed toys.
हाँ, तभी तो उसको लेके सो गया वो रात में।
Yes.
Yes. इसलिए लेके सो गए।
Real
ओके,
animals,
And you
they were
also
real
have given
animals.
that clue.
यस। ओके, सो वी हैव वर्ड्स। मीमी किसने बोला था? मीमी से पांडा,
Giraffe.
पेंगुइन, बार्क बार्क। ओके, हॉन्ग कॉन्ग किसने बोला?
Hong Kong. Penguin.
यस। रोर,
Lion.
Lion.
लायन। हा हा,
Haha.
Old
I don't know.
MacDonald.
नो हा
Old
हा,
MacDonald.
हाइना हाइना,
Hyena.
Hyena. Okay, okay. Hyena. Yeah.
या एंड बार बार्क।
Bear.
Bark Bark was finally with a bear. Okay,
Bear.
so it was nice talking to you all. टुट्टू, आपको सबसे अच्छा कौन सा एनिमल लगा इसमें?
Panda.
पांडा आपका फेवरेट क्यों है?
क्योंकि मेरे दोस्त है वो भी पांडा है।
ओके, आपने कभी पांडा देखा भी है? Okay, so now I am taking you to another video, which another book which talks about animals really having their sounds. So, Akshara, I want you to read it, and
Okay.
I will put a question with every page, and Shweta ma'am will answer. And Tutu will say whether Shweta
Okay.
ma'am gave the right answer or wrong answer. Okay, all ready?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so over to you, Akshara, the first page. Is it visible?
Okay. We can see a picture of a cat. Oh, that's not a cat. It's the baby cat. And what is a baby cat called? The baby cat is called kitten. So meow says the kitten. And we have another picture. Croak says the frog.
Okay, so let me ask the question first. So, Shweta ma'am, what is the baby cat called?
Yes, ma'am. Baby cat is kitten. Right,
Okay,
Tutu?
Tutu is not there, I think. Let me see. Tutu is there. Tutu is not there.
Not
Okay.
there.
Yes,
Okay.
your answer is right. So, what is the color of our cat's yarn? She has some yarn in front of her. ये yarn से खेल रही है, right?
Yeah, yes. She's playing with yarn, and I can see it is orange in color, and one is white.
Okay.
Right?
So, right. Very true, Shweta ma'am. Now we
Oh,
have
thank you.
frog. What is the color of the frog, ma'am?
Real one on this picture only, ma'am.
Real, real.
Real frog is in green in color.
You know, Shweta ma'am, we have
What?
a blue frog which is poisonous. और
Oh, that I
वो
don't
अगर
know.
काट ले तो हम मर भी सकते हैं. Okay,
Oh my
so here we
God,
have
blue
two
frog.
another
This is
animals.
the okay. This
Yes,
is the new information for us, ma'am. Blue
yes,
frog. That
blue
is
frog,
poisonous.
very dangerous. I will show you all
Dangerous.
tomorrow a video on blue frog,
Okay.
and but they look very pretty.
Sure. Okay. Sure.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
yes, Akshara, here you go.
Hoot, says the owl. And we have another picture saying, says the mouse. Mouse.
मुझे तो ये टुट्टू का रिश्तेदार लग रहा है.
Yes. He has cheese in his hand.
हमारे टुट्टू का भी चीज है.
Yes.
Okay, yes, Akshara has given us two animals, owl and mouse. Okay, over to you,
Yes.
Shweta ma'am. What is so special
Ye-
about mouse? Sorry, what is so special about
Mouse.
owl? Owl, sorry. Owl की
Owl.
speciality.
आउल रात में जागता है और हम लोग रात में सब सोते हैं. राइट मैम?
Very true. एक उल्लू ही ऐसा
यस.
जानवर है जो रात में जागता है और दिन में सोता है.
सोता है.
Okay.
टुट्टू.
ये टुट्टू के पापा है आज फोटो पे. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
मैम
Akshara.
आप हमें माउस माउस और रैट में डिफरेंशिएशन बता सकते हैं क्या?
माउस और रैट में डिफरेंशिएशन.
यस.
ओके, मेरा भी इतना जनरल नॉलेज स्ट्रांग नहीं है. कल इस पे वीडियो बनाते हैं हम लोग.
ओके मैम.
मुझे किसी ने पूछा था एलिगेटर और क्रोकोडाइल में डिफरेंस. तो जो हमारे मछली की पाठशाला है ना, उसमें से मैसेज आया था कि एलिगेटर और क्रोकोडाइल का डिफरेंस बताइए. तो हम लोग कल क्लास करेंगे और उसमें एलिगेटर और क्रोकोडाइल प्लस माउस
माउस
और
और
रैट,
रैट.
ये टुट्टू को ही बोलेंगे, एक्सप्लेन करेंगे अपनी दोनों जाति के लोगों को.
ओके. ओके.
ma'am,
So
there
let's
is
move
one.
व्हाट इज
forward.
नेक्स्ट?
हाँ, अक्षरा बोलिए.
Ma'am, there is one more speciality about owl. You know, if we speak something and if there is a real owl, the owl repeats the same words.
ओह.
Okay.
Yes, it happened
And
me.
there is one more specialty.
Okay.
एक और चीज बोलते हैं आउल के लिए कि आउल अगर आउल बहुत वाइज माना जाता है.
Yes.
एज वाइज एज आउल बोलते हैं ना. सो आई डोंट नो रियलिटी में कितना वाइज है, बट इट इज ऑलवेज said as wise as owl. Tutu is in the stream. I'm trying to connect him. Yes, Tutu is there. Okay, let's move to our next photo.
Hey. Buzz.
Yes, Akshara.
Oh, we missed the page. Buzz says the
Yes, this
bee.
bus says.
And the buzz sound.
The buzz sound is for the bees, right?
Yes, yes. The bee makes the sound buzz,
Buzz.
and chirp says the
Buzz.
cricket. Shweta ma'am, what is cricket?
Okay, so here is the question.
Insect. It's a insect, ma'am. Bee and cricket both are insects.
And
Okay.
how many legs an insect has?
8 legs. Every insect has a
Oh,
8 legs. Bee have 2 legs.
wow. So many
Animals
legs.
has 4 legs, and insects has 8 legs.
Wow.
Okay, so
So
let
many
me clear
legs.
Shweta ma'am का जवाब. Insect has 6 legs.
Okay.
So
Oh,
all the
6.
insect has 6 legs, and only spider has 8 legs, and that is why spider is not an insect. तो जितने भी इंसेक्ट है ना सबके
Okay.
6 legs होते हैं. ओके,
Okay.
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. और हमारे पास अब सॉन्ग बर्ड है और डॉल्फिन भी है.
oh, tweet says the songbird. Tweet, 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 tweet. And we have good says the dolphin. Oh wow, ma'am. Dolphin sound is
Click.
See, I told you ना, there are so much of information you are learning from this मस्ती की पाठशाला. आपको पता था
yes.
डॉल्फिन करती
Yes.
है?
No.
No. So now
No,
you all
ma'am.
know dolphin click. So that was all about our story to our sounds today. So आज हम लोगों ने animal sounds किए हैं और हम लोगों ने ओल्ड मैकडोनल्ड्स किया है. So thank you all for coming to this studio and participating. Hope आपको मजा आया होगा आज.
Yay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we'll meet again. Go grab some water and get back for another Masti Ki Pathshala.
Okay.
Okay.
So again, I am back with a new story having dinosaur in our story today. As I told you, आज हम dinosaur को dedicate करेंगे. तो हमारा story भी dinosaur से related है. So let's go and listen to our amazing story, which is again related with our dinosaur, thanks to Epic.
Once Before Time, Cinderella Rex by Christy Webster. Performed by Kelly Jean Badgley. Once before time, there was a dinosaur named Cinderella Rex.
You can see how beautifully Cinderella Rex is dressed. So this green color Cinderella Rex is a girl dinosaur. Her name is Cinderella Rex. So you can relate with the story of Cinderella. Let's see how it moves on.
Cinderella Rex loved to dance. But her stepmother did not let her dance. She had to clean up after her mean stomp sisters. One day, a letter came. Everyone was invited to a ball at the castle. Cinderella Rex was finally going to dance. But first, she had to help her Stomp sisters get ready.
Okay, so you can see the story is exactly like the Cinderella, and she also loved to dance, but she was not allowed to do it, and her mother, stepmom, used to force her for doing all the different things. तो उसकी मम्मी उसको बाकी काम करने के लिए बोलती थी, डांस करने के लिए मना करती थी. And again we have the invitation, and everybody is going for the dance.
There is no time left, her Stomp mother said. You are not ready. They left without Cinderella Rex. Cinderella Rex was sad. She wanted to dance at the ball. She could only dance alone in her garden. Then Cinderella Rex saw a puff of magic. A new dinosaur was there. Who are you? Cinderella Rex asked. I am your fairy Triceratops, she said. I will help you. The fairy Triceratops waved her magic horns. A dress appeared. 2 shoes appeared. A great big squash turned into a coach. It was magic.
Now, as you remember, there was a fairy who converted the mouse into horse, pumpkin into horse cart, and she gave her magic dress, magical shoes. So again, this magical Triceratops is doing the same thing. So our Cinderella Rex is ready for the ball.
Cinderella Rex thanked her fairy Triceratops. She was going to the ball. The magic lasts until midnight, said the fairy Triceratops. Hurry home. At the ball, Cinderella Rex heard the music. She could not wait. She started dancing. Everyone stared. Cinderella Rex was the best dancer they had ever seen. Who is that dancer? The prince asked. I do not know, said Cinderella Rex's Stomp mother. The clock struck midnight. Cinderella Rex had to go home. She ran out of the castle. The prince followed. He wanted to talk to her.
So again, as you remember in our old Cinderella story, at midnight Cinderella was running so that she can reach home, otherwise the spell will all be broken. And the prince was after Cinderella. Similarly, here also we have a king who is after Cinderella Rex, and Cinderella is running.
Cinderella Rex ran down the steps. Her shoe fell off. She tried to pick it up, but her arms could not reach it. She kept running. With the final chime, the magic was gone. But Cinderella Rex was happy. She had danced at the ball. The prince had a plan. The next day, he took the shoe to every house in town. He tried the shoe on Cinderella Rex's older Stomp sister. Her feet were too small. He tried the shoe on Cinderella Rex's younger Stomp sister. Her feet had too many toes. Next was Cinderella Rex. But first her Stomp mother wanted to try. Then her Stomp mother stomped. The shoe was crushed. How would the prince find the dancer? Cinderella Rex knew what to do. She danced. Everyone looked at the prince. Cinderella Rex, he said, will you teach me to dance? So Cinderella Rex moved to the castle. Her Stomp sisters had to clean up for themselves. Cinderella Rex was too busy dancing.
So that was an amazing story where we have Cinderella Rex who loved dancing, And this little cute Cinderella Rex loved dancing, and finally she went to castle where she's dancing with our prince now. So, dear students, it is very important to do what is you meant for. आप किस चीज के लिए बने हो. So just identify, look at yourself, what is that something which makes you do, which makes you happy. If it is dancing, dance. If it is singing, sing. If it is playing, play. Just live your passion.